Hi guys, if you are a dropshipper or if you are selling on eBay and you want to check eBay sales history, I don't know why eBay removed that feature. It was really helpful for all of this. Like it was very helpful. Like if especially if you are dropshipping, so you really want to know when this item was sold so that you can see if customers on eBay really are interested in this product or not. Now, how you can get it back? Now, when I started dropshipping from AliExpress to eBay, I always I always rely on this sold item. Like I always click on it and I see if the item is how long, like when the item was sold. Okay, like I always focus on into three three items in the last month. But yeah, all of this sudden I would say like 1 year ago I clicked on it and it's not clickable anymore. And I was like, ooh, what is happening? So that's why I'm making this video, guys. I want to show you guys how you can get it back so that you can go with your dropshipping business, okay, or you're selling it will just like your business on eBay. So what you guys need to do to add it back, now you want to just open a new tab, okay, and I'm actually going to I'm going to show you the extension here. I'm going to click here on extensions, manage extensions, and this is the extension. It's called eBay sold history button. Now you just need to open a new tab and search for eBay history button extension. Okay, you want to search for eBay sold, as you can see here, eBay sold history button extension, then click on eBay sold button, and this is the extension. Okay, now I'm going to remove it and download this back so I can show you guys how you can use it. Now after you are on this page, as you can see, it's called eBay sold history button. See item purchase history, click on add to Chrome and then click on add extension. All right, now what you guys need to do, you want to go now to any eBay product. Just open the product page, and here, as you can see, you will not be able to click it here, but in the top this button will be added to your eBay product page. Okay, here it says here history, as you can see, history. Click on it. Okay, and here if you scroll down, then you will see the eBay sold, as you can see, sold the history, like eBay sold history, as you can see, when this item was sold. As you can see, now any item you just open the item. I'm going to go with this one. This one has it sold. This one supplier or seller has sold 8 items. Now to see, you just need to click here history next to the title of the item. Click on history, and that's it. That's exactly how you can get it back. Now you can see, as you can see, now I'd highly appreciate if you can drop a like on this video. Drop a like and see you guys in the next one. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Okay, I'll reply to every single comment. See you guys in the next one.